Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a new AI tool on the market, Workforce AI by Faraz and Rahul. It's an all-in-one content creation platform designed for video, audio, text, and image formats. Let's find out if it actually delivers. Workforce AI is a built-in AI software suite that helps creators and small businesses generate viral content across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and more. It's especially useful for content marketers and small business owners who rely heavily on digital channels and have limited budgets. The tool solves a major problem, creating high-quality content with minimal effort. Just input a simple prompt, and the software creates attractive videos, complete with high-end graphics and export-ready formats. You don't need to spend hours editing. It also integrates powerful AI models like Sona AI, DeepSeek, and ChatGPT, giving you flexibility and advanced features at your fingertips. Now, let's cover its standout features. First, the premium image generator lets you use Midjourney and DALL without needing separate subscriptions. Second, the multi-model content creator allows you to switch between ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Claude for flexible content generation. Third, the e-commerce visual creator helps you make professional-looking product photos and AI fashion visuals for better sales. Here are the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get expert training, a helpful knowledge base, 24/7 customer support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. On the downside, there are no privacy certificates or secure data transmission, which might be a concern for some. Also, there's no direct social media integration, uploading still needs to be done manually. Let's look at the pricing. The starter version costs $37. Pro Unlimited is $65. Business Pro is $46. The All Access bundle is priced at $337. I've also included a $2 discount coupon code in the description for you. User feedback is generally positive. The user experience and features both get a rating of 4 out of 5. Content quality is solid. But the value for money and pricing are rated at 3 out of 5. Most users agree the tool is powerful, but the full bundle cost feels slightly high. So, is Workforce AI worth it? Buy it if you want to save time on content creation and automate your marketing without hiring editors or designers. AI is growing fast, and this could be a smart investment for your business. But skip it if you're a beginner or solo creator. Spending $337 might not be wise upfront. Start small with specific tools like an audio or image generator, and upgrade when you're ready.
The first thing you should do once you enter the access is to go through the tour. You start the tour, which teaches you to get when you get the full package. Our system will read your name as well, company, brand, and description. We describe our brand, and then we add the list of services and products that we have, and then we update and save. Now, Workforce AI learns everything about your business. Okay. First thing first. Here, we've got this AI template feature where you can create multiple different things, different AI integrations out there within a one-stop solution. From creating images to, now as you can see right here, it's loading the subject and everything else for a cold email that I'm going to use, right? Perfect. Create me that email, and as you can see, subject streamline.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.